is where we all are gathered to celebrate our Republic Day. Now, I would like to seek permission from our worthy principal ma'am to start our function. Ma'am, may we?
Good morning. Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, it is the 72nd Republic Day 2021. On 26 January, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950 after the independence on 15th August 1947. Yes, in India, Republic Day is not less than a festival. The whole country, regardless of caste, creed, religions, beams with joy. On this day, the entire country is laced in tricolors to convey that India is a nation where unity is diversity is celebrated. Yes, national anthem is one of the symbol of our unity. It's in the heart of every Indian. It's written by Rabindranath Tagore. So I would like to request with the principal ma'am, parents, teachers, and my dear students to please stand up in the respect of national anthem so that we all can sing together.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much, everyone. Please take your seats. Yeah. Now, I would like to call 23 students of grade 4 from senior school who are really going to aware us about the Constitution. Yes, I request you all students, participants, to please switch on your cameras. Yes, over to you, Vani.
Republic Day is a day to remember when the Constitution of India officially came into force of January 26, 1950. This historical act formally transferred India to become an independent republic and hence it is celebrated on January 26 every year.
The Constitution is a document that guides the way to all the institutions of a country. All the other laws and customs of the country must conform to it in order to be practiced. It is the lengthiest written constitution in the world. At present, the Constitution contains 448 articles, 25 part and 12 schedules.
To the contribution of D.R. Ambedkar in Indian democracy of the constitutional format, he gave a shape to our country of a complete service and democratic and republic based on references. Baba Sahib Ambedkar's name will be written in golden letter in the history of India as a creator of social justice.
If Mahatma Gandhi gave direction and lesson of morality, then Baba Sahib gave shape to social aspect without exploitation.
Yes, maybe some technical issues there. So next, over to next student, please.
To safeguard the public property and to reject violence. To develop the scientific temper humanism of the inquiry and reform. To safeguard the public property and to reject violence. जय हिंद जय भारत न आन का न बान का नशा मातृभूमि की शान का हर जगह लहराएंगे झंडा हिंदुस्तान का हर जगह लहराएंगे झंडा हिंदुस्तान का गली गली जाएंगे वीरों के गुण गाएंगे गली गली जाएंगे वीरों के गुण गाएंगे आज फिर हम गणतंत्र दिवस मनाएंगे जय हिंद जय भारत जय हिंद जय भारत
To defend the country and give national service when we called upon to do so. Jai Hind.
To cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspire national struggle for freedom. Jai Hind.
To protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and to have feelings for living creatures.
We can education for without any discrimination.
हमारा भारत जिंदाबाद prohibits the employment under 14 years.
Right to
freedom.
and to all the rights to constitutional remedies. We can go to court to protect our fundamental rights.
Constitution of the India is the supreme law of India. It is the longest written constitution of any country on earth.
To cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspire our national struggle for freedom.
Thank you, dear students. It was really a wonderful performance. Yes, thanks once again to revise our fundamental rights. Yes, these rights protect us, our liberties, freedom of the citizens against any invention by the states. So now I would like to call upon grade 4 senior school students for the performance of their patriotic song, Jhanda Ucha Rahe Hamara.
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा सदा शांति बरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला वीरों को बरसाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
Wow, it's indeed a marvelous performance. Thank you, dear children. Thank you, dear students. Thanks a lot. And I would like to thanks to the parents also, really, who helped their watch to prepare these wonderful props. Now, I would like to call upon Mrs. Priyanka ma'am to take over, please. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vasudha ma'am. Yes, India is known for its strong traditions of science and technology. There are many wonderful things that India has introduced to the world. So, on this auspicious occasion, on the eve of Republic Day, students of grade 4 are going to give a tribute to the rich inventors of India who gave great gifts to the world. Let's begin.
Hello everyone. My name is Mannat. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26 every year to remember the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. Today we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day of India. Our Mother India has given so many gifts to the world in the form of materials or different inventions. Our most valuable and most artistic materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only. Let's hear from my friends.
As early as 700 BC, there existed a big university in Takshila, located in northwest region of India. It had 300 lecture halls, laboratories, a library, and a towering observatory for astronomical research. We promote SDG goal number 4.
You must have heard that old people suffer due to cataract in their eyes. This surgery was first found in Asia and India. In India, this surgery was performed by Sushruta, the father of surgery. This method was successful and later it spread to the world.
India taught the world to cultivate jute. Jute has been cultivated in India since ancient times. India also exported raw jute to the Western world, where was used to make rope. The Indian jute industry was later modernized during the British Raj in India.
Wow, that is really wonderful. Our India is incredible. So let's hear about more achievements. जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई.
I often ask my friend about who discovered zero. Aryabhatta, a legendary mathematician, invented zero in 5th century AD. Again, Indians feeling proud.
Now that's not surprising.
we gave chess to the world, and that too during a Gupta Empire around 6th century AD. And do you know what it was called then? Ask Pada.
We are writing beautifully in ink. Do you know who discovered it? Yes, it was first discovered in India and was used to write Asian script and texts. It was believed that Mahabharata and Ramayana were written with made ink of plant extracts.
Ayurveda, such a wonderful, natural, and effective way of curing different diseases, was also originated from India. Ayurveda is an ancient system of medicine which is still practiced today as a form of complementary and alternative medicine. In this way, we are promoting SDG number 3.
Wow, such a great information shared by you. Let's about next invention.
Wow, USB! That is Universal Serial Bus. It is a common platform that allows communication between devices and a host controller, such as a PC. It was developed and defined by Ajay V. Bhatt, who is an Indian American computer architect. We Indians promote SDG goal number 9.
Yoga uplifts us and connects us to our inner self. We celebrate this International Yoga Day on 21st of June every year. Most of us are practicing yoga to stay fit and healthy. And why not? Yoga has existed in the Indian civilization for over 5,000 years. With this, we are promoting SDG number 3, good health and well-being.
Yes, we Indians were also the genius in astronomical sciences. Bhaskaracharya was the first person to calculate the exact time taken by the Earth to complete one round of the Sun's orbit. Yes, we are promoting SDG goal number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure.
That's really wonderful. Our India is pride. I'm sure after listening about all these inventions, we would feel more proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Oh, wow. Amazing information. Listening to each one of you makes us take pride to be Indian. Thank you so much, dear students. So, as you know, it is the love for our country that keeps glowing the holy fire of patriotism in us. Let's enjoy a patriotic dance performance and fill our hearts with the feeling of brotherhood and peace.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम देंगे घर सुना सुना है मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पा
आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथ ही है बस इतना ही कहना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई सी मस्त भवन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 धक, जिनमें हो जुनून वो बूंदे लाल लहू की। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तो खिला खिला ले, और मोहित रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहित रंग दे बसंती। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है।
मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। है वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक पा जाएंगे। फूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों में, हम बेटे अपने सरों पे चढ़ा जाएंगे। है वतन मैं वतन।
Oh wow, really a very wonderful performance, dear students. Thank you so much, everyone. So now I would like to request our worthy principal ma'am to please share her blessings by saying a few words to the students. Ma'am, please.
Good morning, my beloved students, and good morning, my dear educators. बच्चों के सभी जो पेरेंट्स प्रेजेंट हैं उनको भी मेरे प्यार भरी नमस्कार और सत श्री अकाल. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much for joining us in this Republic Day celebrations. एक स्कूल की अहम भूमिका होती है और वो भूमिका होती है कि बच्चों में पेट्रियोटिज्म पैदा करना, और स्पेशली जब रिमोट लर्निंग हो रही है तो उस वक्त हम लोग वर्चुअली रिपब्लिक डे मना रहे हैं. मकसद एक ही है, मंजिल एक ही है कि ये जो हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने सितारे हैं इनके दिल में हम देश प्रेम इतना भर दें कि जब वो बड़े होंगे तो एक ऐसे नेता बने, उन नेताओं के लिए हमारे मन में बहुत ही रिस्पेक्ट और रिगार्ड हो. अगर हमारे बच्चों की वैल्यू सही होंगी, इनमें एम्पैथी होगी, टॉलरेंस होगा, प्यार मोहब्बत होगी, आपस में एक दूसरे का रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, तो मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है जब ये बड़े होंगे तो बहुत ही अच्छे भारत के सिटीजन बनेंगे, भारत के नागरिक बनेंगे. स्कूल केवल लिमिटेड पढ़ाई के लिए नहीं होता कि हमने मैथ्स पढ़ लिया, साइंस पढ़ लिया, लेकिन हमारे आचार विचार भी अच्छे होने चाहिए, हमारे वैल्यू सिस्टम भी इंटैक्ट होना चाहिए, हमें अपने देश के साथ प्रेम होना चाहिए. बच्चों, हम लकी हैं. वी आर लकी, यू नो, दैट वी आर बोर्न इन अ फ्री कंट्री. वी आर बोर्न इन फ्री इंडिया. लेकिन बहुत लोगों ने अपनी जान दी थी कि हम लोग अपनी जिंदगी एक फ्री इंडिया में जी सकें. So thanks to all those patriots, Thanks to all those people who laid down their life for our countries. Thanks to all those boys and girls and men and women who did everything so that we could definitely live in this free country and celebrate freedom. Children, how can you be patriotic right now? Abhi aapka ek kaam hai, and that particular work which you are expected to do is that you should be studying very hard. You should be studying very hard and knowing all the skills and knowledge which is expected to be known to a child of your age, right? और जब आप अपनी पढ़ाई अच्छे से करेंगे, आप पेट्रियोटिक हो रहे हैं, आप देशभक्ति कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप अपनी जहां खड़े हैं वो जिम्मेवारी निभा रहे हैं. If a doctor does his responsibility, an engineer does his or her responsibility, and a person in business does his or her responsibility, अगर हम लोग देश में अलग अलग जगह के पे खड़े होके भी अपनी अपनी जिम्मेवारी संभालेंगे तो हम सब पेट्रियोटिक हैं. And if everybody takes the responsibility, shoulders the responsibility, I'm sure India is going to move ahead. और आप अगर जिम्मेवार बच्चे बनेंगे तो हमारा देश आपके हाथों में बहुत सुरक्षित होगा. I take this opportunity to thank all the parents. हमारे अभिभावकों को मैं प्यार भरा धन्यवाद करती हूँ, क्योंकि आपने घर में रह के भी इन बच्चों की मदद करी. बहुत सुंदर सुंदर बच्चों ने हेडगेयर पहने हुए थे, सिर पे अलग अलग किस्म के पहने हुए थे. बहुत सुंदर तरीके से बच्चों ने अपनी ड्रेसेस पहनी हुई थी. हमारे तिरंगे के तीनों रंग सब जगह बिखरे हुए थे. तो सबके लिए धन्यवाद. अब बच्चे आपके पास हैं, आपने भी भाग लिया और ये सेलिब्रेट किया, उसके लिए भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. ये जो आइडिया था, ये जो थॉट था, ये क्लास टीचर्स का था, इनके कोऑर्डिनेटर्स का था, हेडमिस्ट्रेस मैडम का था. इन सब ने मिलकर इन बच्चों को तैयार किया, तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद उन सबको. डांस भी देखे, म्यूजिक भी देखा. हमारे जो पुराने हमारा जो कल्चर है उसके बारे में भी हम लोगों ने सुना. सब कुछ हमने देखा आज हमारे देश से रिलेटेड. तो उन सब के लिए धन्यवाद. ये विचार, ये विमर्श जो हमने किया, सबके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. सो गॉड ब्लेस और थैंक यू सो मच. और इसके साथ ही मैं आखिर में आपको फिर बधाई देती हूँ रिपब्लिक डे की, और प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि हमारे बच्चे बहुत होनहार बने और इस देश को अपने हाथों में जब वो बड़ा होकर लेंगे तो देश का भविष्य बहुत ही उज्जवल होगा और सेफ होगा इन बच्चों के हाथों में. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Thank you to all teachers, coordinators, Charu ma'am, vice principal, everybody, parents, children, for putting up such a great show on this Republic Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Ma'am, great leader and motivating all of us. Your presence and gentle words always inspire us, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. And we extend our heartfelt thanks to the parents and the students who joined us